Now, even as the 23-year-old gang rape victim battles for life, there has been protests across the country. People taking to the streets demanding stricter laws for crimes against women and exemplary punishment for those who are accused of raping the young woman.
Outrage against their barbaric crime is only growing. Protesters gathered at Delhi's India Gate demanding justice.
The government must take responsibility for the fact that women find it, that it's difficult for women to roam around and to walk the streets and walk around the streets at night.
हम बहुत सारी ऐसी बातें करते हैं जिससे हम ये पोस्ट करते हैं that India is growing, India is developing, but basically महिलाएं अगर आपके देश में सेफ नहीं हैं तो आपके देश में कौन सेफ है? And this is the condition of National Capital Territory.
The anger only resonating in Mumbai, where hundreds came out seeking swift punishment for the culprits.
A burning issue which is raising the hue and cry across the country. But in Mumbai, protesters protesting silently, lighting candles to say that they will no longer be silent if the security and safety of women is compromised.
We want to be result oriented. We just don't want to be a one hour outrage or a few days outrage. We want results.
That's the reason we have filed a PIL.
We want to say that wake up and take action. Women need to feel more safe in this city and all around the country, and the common man has to now wake up and take action.
Even in Bangalore, young people coming out in solidarity with the victim.
We just not want the justice, but the fast. We insist the government to establish the fast-track courts where we can, make sure that we get the justice in time.
In Jammu, hundreds of students marching through the streets, outraged by the crime in Delhi.
कोर्ट में जल्दी से जल्दी फैसला हो, उस लड़की को जल्दी से जल्दी इंसाफ मिले और सारी गर्ल्स यही चाहती है कि लड़की को इंसाफ मिले बस। पर ये दिल्ली पुलिस तब कहाँ थी जब ये लड़की के साथ ऐसा हुआ?
हम सब स्टूडेंट्स J&K जम्मू एंड कश्मीर स्टेट से गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया को एक मैसेज देना चाहते हैं कि वो उन कल्प्रिट्स को फांसी पे लटका दें ताकि आने वाले जो समाज के अंदर लोग हैं ताकि उनके अंदर ऐसी चीज बेदार ना हो.
A sentiment running across cities in the country that enough is enough. It's time to deal with rapists with a law that becomes a deterrent for these monsters. Bureau Report, Times Now.